Hello everyone, how to increase cell size in Excel. So let's start. Select the cell. So here select the cell. Then go to the Home tab in Cells group, click on the Format and click on the Row Height option. And here the dialog box is open, Row Height. Enter the row height. So enter here 25, click on OK. And here you can see the cell size in increase. Now I select the All cell and again go to the Home tab in Format option and click on the row height, and now here I enter the 25. Click on OK. Now you can see the all cell size is changed. Now to change the column width, select the cell. So here I select the all cell, go to the Home tab in Format option, click on the column width. Now I enter here the 20 and click on OK, and that's it. You can see the cell size is increased. So this is a way you can increase the cell size in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.